Loosen and remove the screws of the sunroof blind frame. Remove the sunshade rail clip. Pull out the sunshades on both sides. This is the complete sunshade and frame assembly. Remove the old sunshade from the frame. Install a new sunshade. Note that the locking pin should not be pulled out. The assembly is complete. Install the sunshade into the track. Install the clips and tighten the fixed screws of the frame. Pull out the positioning pin. Here's the key point. Connect the sunshade to the rack bracket. Run the sunshade for a test drive. Check for any jamming. Okay, no problem. Prepare to install the ceiling. Be careful. Install it in place. Installation completed. Let's take a look at the effect. Does it feel perfect?
Leading manufacturer of sunroof auto parts.